Hello everyone. We at McDefect Solutions provide AI-powered quality inspection services for manufacturing industries. This is our website. You can check out our brochure. These are the kind of solutions that we offer. And we are able to provide both defect detection and defect categorization services. The pricing plans, etc., are mentioned on our website as well. You can feel free to contact us at these addresses. The defect detection and categorization services that we provide have been made possible by training 3 different deep learning models using Keras. The first one we would like to talk about is the object detection model, which is based on a RetinaNet architecture. The second one is the defect detection model, and the third one is the defect categorization model. Both the defect detection and categorization model have been trained using transfer learning on a VGG16 architecture. So now diving right into the demo. First, we look at the defect detection part, wherein basically for the demo, we could actually download any image from this particular data set, which contains images of pump impellers from a casting data set. I've already downloaded this data set, and let's say I choose this particular image and submit it for detection. As you can see, 2 of the impellers over here have been marked as OK, while the other 2 have been marked as defective, as expected. This has been possible using our object detection and defect detection models working together. Up next, we have the defect categorization part, wherein we can actually categorize the different types of defects that different parts may have. For the demo, we actually use this particular metal surface defects data set. Again, I have downloaded this data set, and it typically contains 6 different types of defects. So let's go to the data set over here and select this. Let's say I select this image, submit it for categorization. It's predicted to be scratches, which is correct. Let's try another one. Let's go for patches. Let's see if we can identify patches as well. And yeah, it has been predicted correctly to be a patch. So these are the kind of services that McDefect Solutions offer at this point. We are currently also working towards categorizing and detecting defects in videos as well, hence the coming soon. Thank you very much.